Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we'll install Xtreme HD IPTV on Fire Stick. First, ensure your Fire Stick is fully set up and connected to Wi-Fi. Now navigate to the Settings menu on your Fire Stick home screen. Select Device or My Fire TV, then proceed to Developer Options. Enable Apps from Unknown Sources to allow installations from outside the Amazon store. Next, go back to the main home screen and select the search bar. Search for the Downloader app and install it to begin downloading Xtreme HD IPTV. Once downloaded, open the Downloader app from your Fire Stick applications list. In the URL section of Downloader, input the link for Xtreme HD IPTV. After entering the link, click Go to begin downloading the Xtreme HD IPTV application. When the download completes, follow the prompts to install the app on your Fire Stick. Once installed, return to your Fire Stick home screen and find the app. Launch the Xtreme HD IPTV app and enter your login details to access content. And there you have it. You can now enjoy endless content with Xtreme HD IPTV. This video is sponsored by www.2tv.store, the best IPTV provider out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your viewing experience with Xtreme HD IPTV.